Here we have a 2017 17-plate Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG 4MATIC Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in a chrome black. We have your silver brake calipers just there as well. You have your drilled discs on the front. Now all tyres are all wrapped in Michelin Pallet Sport 4S tyres, so are extremely grippy. We have the black Panamerica style front grille, LED headlights, the lowline kit fitted to this vehicle, so you get the maximum design front splitter, side skid extensions, and also the rear spats. We have the night pack styling, so with the blue paintwork, we have the black trim. We also have your panoramic sunroof, which is currently closed due to it raining, but you do have your black window trim and your privacy glass on the rear. We have your dual X exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now also black tip, and this vehicle does sound absolutely incredible. Now this vehicle is free from any major mark dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. A quick look into the rear of the car due to it raining, so not really water getting in. We do have the half leather and half suede with the red seat belts, the red stitching, as fixed points, pull down armrest. On the doors you have your premium integrated Burmester sound system, brush metal trim, and also your leather with your red stitching. Quick look at the inside, again half leather and half suede, heated electric memory front seats as you can see just there. Red seat belts, red stitching. You have the extended 5 support, multifunction steering wheel paddle shift if we stick on to manual mode. You also have a cruise control and speed limit with your electric steering wheel adjustments. Free from any more lights on the dashboard. Screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have Bluetooth mid and Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. Front and rear parking sensor with rear reversing camera. Gloss back trim all over the centre of this vehicle, matched with the brushed metal trim. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean, and it is raining, so once it is dry and had a full clean, we'll do a full walk around video going through all different specifications that do come with this vehicle. That is available to take away today with free contact nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching.